Hello guys, welcome once again. In the last video we have seen how to insert data into your tables and how to write a query for inserting data into your tables. In this video we will see how to use a select statement and what is a select statement and how it can be used. So let's get started. Suppose you are using a Java application or Java software and from which you want to see a database in the form of table. So what query you should write to see all the data from your database table? I will show you today. So go to your query tab here, and for example I want to see this data from the table. So I want to see employee ID, name, surname and age, and these values also from my database. So how can I see with the help of query? Let's see. I will write select, and keep in mind MySQL or most of the SQL language are not case sensitive, so you can write in capital also, you can write in small letter also, it will work totally fine. It's not case sensitive, so it's a good point to remember. And then I will write select, then your column name. So your column name is EID, name, surname and age, so we will write EID comma name comma surname comma age, and then write from your database or database table. So you can write database dot e data and just close the query with a semicolon. So what I have written is select the column names, which is employee ID, name, surname and age, from your database name, which is this, dot your table name, which is this. And now I will try to execute this query, and you can see all my database or all my table is shown here. In the same way, when you write a query and your database is connected to a software, it will show this data, this same data, when you pass this query from that software using MySQL. Suppose you don't want to see all your table, you can select this. Suppose you want to see only EID and name, so just delete surname and age and just try select EID comma name from your database. And when you execute this query, you can see only your EID and name is shown by the query. The other way of using select statement is if you want to show whole table, whole data of your table, you can write star. If you write star, it will select your whole table from your database. So let's see how it works. Yes, so it shows your whole table. So select star from your database dot table will also work as a query. So in this way you can show and you can use select statement using MySQL. I hope you have learned something new this time. Please rate, comment and subscribe.